Good morning, folks. Today, I'm going to show you the progress I made on planting these potato seeds. We planted three varieties. We planted Fenway Reds, Red Pontiacs, and Sorayas. We have Upstate Abundance, Natasha's, Kennebecs, and Sangries also. But let's take a journey around the back here. Some wildflowers we planted for my mother, her bushes, some more transplants. Here they are. Buckets are almost full here, as you can see. I just clipped the flowers off the Pontiac Reds. We clipped the flowers off these. They started blooming, and we want more potatoes, so I'm gonna have to fill these up with dirt, get another bucket. I'll cut the bottom off, stack it on, and we'll keep going. This one here, these are a little bit slower growing, but as you can see, there's already a potato growing on the bottom of these. So, yep, we just gotta add some dirt to these today, and then we'll get back to you and show you the progress we made. Thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.